Today we're going to use primary colors and texture plates to create a paper with lots of texture rubbings in the primary colors. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is decide which texture plate you're going to use first. And we always lay the texture plate underneath our paper. Then we pick a color. Yellow is not going to show up real well, but I will show you how to do this. And then we're going to make sure that we use all three colors and that the color stretches all the way to the edges. Each color needs to go all the way to the edges. So I'm going to start with yellow. The crayon needs to lay down like it's sleeping. So that means we're not going to hold it the way we normally hold a crayon. Let it lay down. And then we're holding the paper with one hand and we're pushing across the paper with our other hand. And notice how I am getting all the way to the edge. I'm moving my hand if I need to so I can get all the way to the edge. And that yellow is picking up the texture of the texture plate. Now I'm going to stay on this side, but I'm going to try the other side of my texture plate because these texture plates can look a little different from side to side. And I'm going to use my red. Again, I'm leaving it laying down and I'm going all the way to the edges. Have I gotten all the way to the edges yet with red? No, I need to continue. I can leave this going all one direction, or I can turn it in different directions. It doesn't matter as long as I get some texture with each color all the way to the edge. What primary color have I not used yet? Yes, blue. So now I'm going to pick a different texture. I'll put it underneath the paper, lay my crayon down like it's sleeping, and now I'm going to rub some blue texture onto my paper. Remember to go all the way to the edges. Remember, you're welcome to turn the paper if you want, and you're welcome to turn the texture plate upside down and see how that changes the texture that you get. Now I'm ready for the next step.